What is going on, guys? If you're new here, it's me, Jackson, and ooh, that's hot. Today, what we're doing
She's not gonna roll over. She's not that type of
is
girl.
part 3 of something. Dirt bike riding. So let's go do it. I mean, look how crappy it is outside. I mean, it's
Glorious. No, I'm just kidding.
it's not that crappy, but I'm gonna actually do it barefoot. I'm gonna go ride my dirt bike barefoot.
Have fun.
Yeah, I'll try. Whoa!
What are you talking about? You said right as-
When I come back in, I'm watching YouTube. Can you guys see okay? Oh, it's gonna be cold. I literally have no shoes on. Look at that. Guys. And then it's raining. Shut up, Devo. Guys, you don't even know how cold I'm gonna be. But I mean, oh well, right? Riding my dirt bike with barefoot. Oh, it's so cold. Oh my god, guys. I'm probably not going to be doing this for long. Oh my god, it's so cold. Ah! It is so cold. Let's get in the cover. Oh my god. Ooh, whoa. Alright, screw it, let's go. Woo! Oh yeah, they do have it. Oh yeah, guys. So this power line right there that you're looking at, that whole thing fell. They got a new one. Same with that tree over there. There's a tree over there. Let's do this one more time and then go. My feet are numb! Ooh, they are so numb! Oh, God! Woo, it's cold. Oh, God. Ah. All right, guys, let's just go. Alright, like. Okay, guys, I'm back. Okay. Oh my god. Like, I'm literally barefoot. Oh god. God. Dang. Shut up. You're not an animal. Oh my god, guys. Alright, guys, peace.